A lot of big traders are about to hate me for what I'm about to say. In fact, most of the information you are going to get in this video, you won't get them anywhere. They are not readily available for free. But I'm going to share with you because you are following me and you are subscribing to this channel. So if you value quality and important information, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. There are some certain strategies that which you need to make money in the crypto space, and your ability to follow this strategy will help you very well in becoming profitable in 2026. There are some certain narratives you should be buying today. There are some certain strategy that if you use them, they are going to be very instrumental for your profitability in 2026. I always tell my students something. I always tell them that not all cryptocurrency are investable, but all cryptocurrency are tradable. So what do I mean? I mean that not all cryptocurrency are worthy of long-term holding. Many of them are just short-term. Many of them, once you make quick bucks on it, all you need to do is to sell and move on from the cryptocurrency. While there are some cryptocurrency that you can hold for a very long time. The purpose of this video is to clarify and let you know which strategy that you should use to make money. So the first strategy is our technical analysis strategy. On the technical analysis strategy, what you want to do is you want to go on higher time frame like the monthly candlestick. When you go to the monthly time frame, check the flow of the market. If the flow of the market on the monthly time frame is up, this is when you want to be looking at buying the currency on the lower time frame. So you go to the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, check how they are doing. Are they in an uptrend market? If you're in a downtrend market, my advice for you is to move on from the cryptocurrency and go to the next one. But if they are an uptrend market where they are making higher highs and higher lows, you want to invest in such cryptocurrency. The second strategy you should be buying is narrative strategy. So what are the narrative strategy? Narrative strategy are strategy of trending cryptocurrency. What does this mean? This means that these are the hot topics of cryptocurrency. The reason why you should be investing in hot topics is because liquidity and big guys always flow into it. And because liquidity and big guys flow into it, they are very good investments. However, you should know something that some of them are long term and some of them are short term. I'm going to be clarifying it in the video. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you're subscribing. So the first narrative that you should be looking for to invest in 2026 is the AI narratives. AI is not just a trend. AI is a new system. AI is a revolution. Everything you are using today requires AI. From your phone, your gadgets, your TV, even social media apps now use AI. We've seen the likes of X using Grok, we've seen the likes of Instagram, we've seen the likes of Twitter, and all other social media using AI and leveraging on AI. AI by 2030 will be a very big revolution in the digital and crypto space. You want to be looking at researching AI coins that are yet to actually give you a very parabolic move. These AI coins, they are coins that when you invest in them, you have to hold them for long term to see the long term upside. Of course, together with the technical analysis strategy that I'm going to share fully in the upcoming videos that are coming. So when you're coming to the AI space, you can invest in the AI tokens without interacting with AI itself. When you're investing in AI tokens, you are looking at the long-term visibility of how AI is going to be. And yes, AI is going to be very big. We've seen many governments investing billions of dollars into AI. The second narrative you should be looking forward to invest in is the prediction narrative. Prediction market is the new meta in the crypto space today. And it does not only cost across cryptocurrency, it costs across sports trading, it costs across sporty bets. It is similar to the sporty bet of cryptocurrency. However, it's not only sporty bet. You can bet on anything. You can bet on information that you have. You can bet on anything that you have. Every information that you have, politics, sports, gaming, culture, lifestyle, even world news. We have top prediction markets such as poly market that you can leverage on. Prediction tokens are tokens that are created by crypto projects that are into prediction markets, and you want to look forward to investing in them. They're going to help you. They're going to be a stepping stone. So you can either partake in the prediction market game itself or invest in their tokens. If you're partaking in the prediction market game itself, you need to know that information is key, because a lot of people lose their money by investing in prediction market tokens. If you can invest in top coins that are owned by this prediction project, you are good to go. The third one is Web3. Web3 means the ability to add something that you created and tokenize it. You understand how Web1 is. Web1 is you can only read something on the internet, such as Google. Web2 is you can read and write, and these are our social media. But with Web3, you can actually make money and share in the wealth. And Web3 is one of the things you want to be doing in the crypto space. So you want to invest in top Web3 tokens, you can go to coinmarketcap.com and research under Web3 projects that you can invest in. Time is moving fast, and 2026 will be a very good thing for you if you take action early. Profit follows speed, and if you can be very fast at what you do, you can be rest assured that profit is what you make in this 2026. So follow this strategy. First one I mentioned was the technical analysis strategy. Second one are the narrative strategy, and we mention of AI, a big mention of the prediction market, a big mention of the Web3 narratives market. These are the three narratives that you should be looking forward to invest in cryptocurrency today. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember, you can either have excuse or results. You can't have the both. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.